Okay, I only wanted this video, share this video. Video yesterday about calling out Soludo that Nandeno close to him should remind him na ayano ho shishindami if I know what show you kuishe maka mem market we mechiri because na ndị mmadụ abịa o mechi shop a lot of ụfọdụ ndị apụga now neife Ozunna Soludo puru because of this same Monday sit at home and this iwu ndami na enyere neife Ozunna Soludo puru or say, do you guys want dedicated sit at home content? Una choko create your content that is dedicated to Monday sit at home, or see to make your sit at home a little more vibey because that's the best I can do for you. Una choko create your a dedicated sit at home content. Go we make here the sit at home. Yeah, go we vibe because that is all. Only email email. Then we say update. I post and you all let me know what is happening. But my stance is always the same. No post in the comment section. All my post in the general commenting based on if I'm paying Meluna, Mem Market and the Ofodafia. So always in the mother, but my stance here remains the same. But before in the stance here, also even though a lot of times I agree with you. Now, I agree with the Anambra State. I am not ever in support of any kind of dictatorship or leaders who impose themselves on the people. But my stance still remains. Meaning, because no man, the act Soludo Meluna Mem Market and the Onakadi Men of Fodafia, who an act of dictatorship. It is an act of dictatorship. You cannot force people to go and open their shop. Only when the mother daronafia or no modifier now violate. Government can come in. Yes, but I'm not at decide then am I make shop. Look at now. Anom nuno. Open now. Man decide then am make shop. Montrin chigata. Uno no basalo. Onye we plaza. Self. Onye ike bia. Semezugo ni make shop wa. Provided na meji oyugo. Unless na meji yugo. What I go. Now, my stance still remains. I am not an extension of the government, nor any extension or any part of government in pay. I am not a mouthpiece or a representative of the government. So if you want to lay out your grievances in my comment, that's fine. But that still remains a long shot from the resolution. That still remains a long shot from the resolution you seek. Meaning that na nyawa make a stance here or do not make clear that no blood the mouthpiece of government in pay and no blood an extension or any arm or division of government in pay. Na onwa either wotaria ono nife na Anambra State in a comment section yeah. We more like no may take a long way into solution ono nacho. Meaning that solution ono nacho does not lie with him. But all maka decision never understand not an act of dictatorship. Governor Soludo. Governor Soludo. It was related to Soludo. You are not even benefiting anything reasonable from this government. A potential comment section. Ebia Ezugo. Are you against? Are you in support of Monday sit at home? When you were supposed to sit at home Monday, let me make it clear out. When you were support Monday sit at home. But what I am saying is that Yabiazi battalion of soldiers and the security. Even only the market, you will go to the mother security at the mother say okay, yes, no, but I do go. If you need security, we be mafia security we want to everywhere. You will be na Monday, every one them mother, ni na haya bia mepe shop ha. When the mother free, safe enough to come and open their shops, they will come out to open their shops. Air Force or Air Force, what of her decide is here na ag Monday sit at home and make club meeting, or her decide there no ag Monday ag church, or you decide there no ag Monday next weekend with family. Air Force or Air Force, ngwafia do na shop wa on go supply the afia kasi na enwezi ebe ịgba ya ụgwọ o were maka na o mepe shop o ya kwụ ụgwọ kedu ife business ego na personal business mmadụ ọnọdụ ka because now say na all lands are owned by government nrụzi ụlọ gbachie ya ịbịa sị na ewulere ewu na elike ihu na mmadụ anọghọ na like eruo mmadụ na-apụ na-abata ọ gbasara ụgwọ shop mụ kpọrọ ngwafia na shop mụ na-akwụ ụgwọ shop. It is my business. Any liability done at that business or shop, it is me, not yours. You can't pay anyone for me. So let us call a spade a spade. I appreciate in the fact that Soludo shock and one day dokwa can normal Monday buy, but this is not the way. All people find their ability to safe and free for them. They will eventually come out. You don't need to force them out. What you need is to sensitize them, make them know that they are safe. But definitely, the best way to make them know that they are safe is not by EG armor personnel, EG bulletproof motor, local battalion of soldiers. You could have come alone. Hasize na a whole governor Potaranake, then Hasi they're about to go safe. They will come out. So let us call a spade a spade. Let us call a spade a spade. Ozunna Soludo bagodono ni ife mpemelu. No. It is an act of dictatorship, man. No. All markets are owned by government. The markets are owned by government. And that includes ngwafia dona shop. That includes shop. That includes the decision. The who na mado me shop. Reason kwanu yo. Chepanu ye cheo. Kodo.